In this video, I will show you how to move files or photos from SD card to your internal storage on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you look for file on your Android phone. Go ahead and look for these files. Click on it. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and open up your SD card. So for that, click on SD card. So now you want to make sure you look for the folder where you want to move the photo from the SD card to your internal storage on Android. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for the folder. So I'm using this Bluetooth folder right here. So here we go. This particular photo right here, I'm going to move it from my SD card into my internal storage. So for that, you want to make sure you click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Move To. Then go ahead and click on internal storage. Then here, select where you want to paste the photo. You can as well create a new folder as the case may be. I'm going to paste this into DCIM. Click on Move Here, just like so, one file moved. Okay, then we can simply go back to internal storage. Continue to go back, continue to go back. Then under the internal storage, we have the file right here in DCM. Right here. In some cases, if you cannot find it from the top, you can simply come to internal storage right here. Then you want to make sure you click on DCIM. Then you have the image right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.